Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm here to show the Son Hardeo school. Okay, so in my last video I have already shown you the outside view of this school, but today is something special for you because today I'm going to show you the entire view. What are the facilities that Son Hardeo providing to you is going to be seen from this video. So from this video you get to know each and everything what is inside, because outside view I have already shown to you. So each and everything, if you want to know in detail what's inside out of the facility that Son Hardeo providing to you, is going to be from this video. So each and everything you get to know. So I'm going closer to the school, and after that I'm going to take entry inside. First of all, where I am is very important. So I'm in Son Hardeo ground, okay, and this is the actually ground gate from where I'm going to take entry, and let's come. Oh, this is the entire view, outside view, which is really amazing. Okay, this is the construction work which you have seen. Okay, outside view is just amazing, which I have already shown to you. Okay, the most important thing you have to know is that there is some taps for the students, especially when the junior classes. On the ground floor there is some junior classes. Let's take entry inside and see what's inside it. So without wasting time, let's go it inside and see what's inside. Okay, so here, this is the temple, okay, where there is no statue right now. So on big occasion like Saraswati Puja, Durga Puja, you will find a statue here, and we do worship, especially the owner of the school, a director of the school used to came here and celebrate that festivals. So such kind of festival also gets celebrated in this school. So this is outside view where I'm standing. Okay, see, this is the main front view.
क्या बात है जुबेर.
And this is the actually some freedom, where students used to do their PTs. And why they do it? Because sometimes it's happened that in rainy season it's very difficult for the students to go in ground because of the water which is stored in ground. It's not become difficult for the students to be there. So in such situations, students used to play here and do their PT and do their assembly. Two pillars where you have to interact with. So this is outside. This is the gate where from where to take entry. I have already introduced in some of the videos. So let me open the gate and get inside. Oh, this is special. This is something which is very special. Look at this. I have already explained each and everything to you. And here is the bell, here is the prayer, what are the timetable that school used to follow. Here is the first office, okay, first counter where fee collections and honor used to sit. And here is your book collection. Second counter is here. Inside this, there is a book store where students used to purchase their books and each and every grocery that is needed used to do it. And as you can see, the tabla, where especially in assembly time, these are the things we use. And this is the sound box where actually we use it for the prayer, because there are lots of like 1500 students used to came here for study and for taking education. So it's very important the speakers should be louder so that each and every student can hear it and sound can reach up to the last students. So we used to provide. This is just a table where most of the staffs and management used to sit here and spend most of the time, most of the hour here. Okay, here is the LED. In this LED, especially the school actually, the CCTV cameras which are used is displayed here. So when guardian came here, they used to watch what are the facility, which way the students here. And see these sofas actually, this is for the guardian. The guardian who came to meet the students used to sit here, and especially when teachers free after the school hour, they used to sit and spend their lots of time. So another important thing that is here is that this is a big story actually. Some moment which is captured here, I would like to explain because it's important. Okay, quite important because this is the school which you have seen just before. In the starting only I have shown you the view of school. It's clearly same as it is. Okay, and here is the hotel, which is I like built up. The owner of this school has opened a hotel which hotel somewhere in Beta. Okay, and okay, most important thing is that who is the owner? So owner is here. Who is the Bidhayak of this area? And
Manager.
these are the management sites. So they used to handle the school. And here is the photo of the students who perform in some of the regions. And like 15 August they have performed. So from the photos which is collected and captured is displayed here. And his father, Vinayak fathers and mothers is also here. So these are the things which is important. And here is the hospital, which is very soon you are going to see somewhere in Chucky. Okay. And yeah, hospital is here. This is like front view and this is the back view. Okay? So it's important. So let's come. This is like 15 August moment. Okay? Because of the lockdown, this year we not celebrated in that special way. So like last year, 15 August that we have celebrated. Some of the photos that we have collected and captured, which is displayed here, which is really important for you. Let's see this. Everywhere you find the Bidayakji. This is the school dress that student used to follow. The student used to wear, and here is the Bidayakji, his PO and all the worker. And here is the Bidayak's sons, and these are the here is the principal also, which you can see here. Last principal and students. These are the actually functions. 15 August there was a big functions in which the students performed and photos were collected and captured, which is displayed here. This is important. Okay, see this here. This is the corridor. That was the left corridor which I have shown you. This is the right corridor. This is also a message. Okay, and another thing that you are going to see is the bathroom. You will find this bathrooms in all the floors in the same way. See, this side you will find the girls' bathroom. This side the boys'
Boys.
Here is the tap. You will find it fresh because this is get filtered, then it came here. So here also for the boys as for the girls, there is two difference because of the school we have difference here. So this is only for boys. Boys only can enter. This is for the girls. Only girls can enter. See this here. The marbles, the everything is used. And see the cleanness. It's amazing. Okay. So I'm thinking to take the view of inside and get inside and see what the classroom look like. Okay. It's not possible to get inside the class, but corridor it's possible to show. So let's take inside. Okay, come. This is the stairs actually. These are the field, agriculture field, which you can see. All are amazing. Okay. Okay, it's all amazing. Let's get inside the first floor. Okay. This is the corridor where classes going on. So there is darkness. There is no light, so I don't want to take into somewhere here. Okay. Most important thing, look at this marble. Do you think why it is there? Okay, let me explain it. The color which is embedded and the different color which is inside it, there is meaning for it. There is meaning. What meaning is that engineering what they applied is this is for the staff. The staff needs to work and for students, especially for lunch time, that students not gather at one place and do fighting or do anything which is totally prohibited in school. So this is for the students and this is also for the students and this is for the staffs. Okay. So okay, these are the things which it's important to show you. And here from outside there is the main gate. Okay, there is the main gate. Okay, you can focus also from here. Simple click, focus. Yeah. Look at this. There is the main gate. Okay, from here you have to take entry. You can see it from outside. Okay. Now take a look of third floor. How it's visible. This room is just for staffs, especially when they are free or they are after the period. They want to take a rest or if they want to check the copies. For them, they are always here. When they want to take a lunch, they come here after school hour. They used to spend their time with all the teachers. Okay. And this third floor, all the senior students from class 4 to 8, their classroom is here. As you can see here, classroom. The class 7 students used to sit here. And this is the corridor, same construction. There is nothing different. I've already spoken to you that this is for the staff and this is for the students. Senior classes is senior. So let's get up and reach to the last floor and see what's inside. So today we are going to have the students also. This is very excited. Yeah, but really very excited. I'm really excited to interact with them. I'm going to interact with the students. Let's see what the reaction the students are giving. Let's come. Finally, what I have promised you, I'm going to show you. And today I'm going to interact with one of the students. What's his opinion about this school and about the education? He's going to explain. So whatever you have opinion about the school actually, that quality of education that the school is providing and facilities providing, this is simply have to speak in 2 words. What do you think?
With the school comparison to other schools, it will be very fantastic because there are lots of facilities for us. It's giving a good food, good facilities about.
Okay, so there are some more students, senior students with whom I want to introduce you. These are the students, senior students, okay? So, from this side here, come here. So the view of the side. This is the facility, this is the facility. Please, give the side. These are the facilities that the school are providing to the student, hostel student. So the bed. The bed is not arranged. So it's not, so don't take entry inside. Students are really excited. So come inside. I've already explained you about this corridor, okay? About this structure. This is for the staff, this is for the students. Okay? To avoid the gathering, these are the plans which schools has given. So come. Okay.